Today's story is The Cat and the Blind Vulture. On the banks of a river was situated a tree. A vulture that was old and blind lived in its hollow. There were also other birds that had their nests in the tree. The birds highly respected the vulture because of his age and also because he was a guardian to them all. The blind vulture was very wise and could easily sense any danger that could harm the birds and their young ones. One day a cat came to that place. He was tired of chasing mice or birds and felt that it was better to be at one place and arrange for his food without any effort. The tree where many birds and their young ones lived was selected by him. When the cat approached the tree for the first time, the vulture sensed him and got alert. He asked the cat, "Who are you? What brings you here?" Seeing the vulture, the cat shuddered, but he soon composed himself and politely replied, "Sir, I am your ardent devotee." Hearing these words, the vulture asked the cat, "Why are you my devotee? What do you see in me, a blind old vulture?" The cat sighed when he came to know that the old vulture was blind, as that made things easier for him. His plan was to eat up the young birds as and when he wanted. He said to the vulture, "Sir, I live on the other side of the bank. One day I heard some birds of this tree talking about you. They were saying that you are wise and always help them. I too wished to meet you and have the chance to seek your blessings." The clever vulture did not believe him. He knew that cats were not trustworthy at all. He feared the safety of the little birds as well. As if sensing him, the cat said, "Sir, you need not worry about the birds' safety. I was a meat eater indeed, but now I have changed my ways and habits. I want to just visit you every day, seek your blessings, and listen to your wise words." The cat's words were so soothing that the vulture fell into its trap. He said, "If that is so, I trust you. Come to me and I will enlighten you as much as I can." The cat was extremely happy and at once started his hunting spree. It gobbled up one little bird quietly and left the place. The cat now visited the vulture every day, had some talks, and ate up one bird. He also cleverly left the bones into the vulture's hole. After a couple of days, the birds started looking for their missing young ones. They did not suspect the blind vulture that was always guarding them. Another 2 days passed, and now they grew suspicious of the vulture. One of the birds peeped into the hole of the vulture and found the remains of the little birds. He quickly informed the other birds. All the birds gathered and started attacking the vulture that was quietly sleeping. The birds finally killed the vulture. The cat arrived there at that time and looked at the scenario from a distance. He quietly slipped away, happy that he had got what he wanted. Moral of this story is, an immoral person can never be trusted.